Hello everyone, MSRN 2007 here, and today is Wednesday, July 28th, 2021 at 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And this is going to be the required weekly test on WXK85. So, go ahead and get everything turned on.
Lows in the upper 60s. Wednesday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Highs around 90. You're listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 6 p.m. weather observations. In Oklahoma City, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 92 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 48%. The wind was south at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.03 inches and steady. At Norman, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 93.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and let the HH50 go off.
The wind was east at 9. Observations from around the region. Temperatures were between 92 and 99 degrees. It was sunny.
Turn 7419 on.
It was mostly sunny.
Make sure it's on LED. Yeah, it is.
At Dallas Fort Worth, it was cloudy. Once again at 6 p.m. in Oklahoma City, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 92. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, thunderstorms, isolated thunderstorms may develop this afternoon across portions of southern Oklahoma and North Texas. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour and brief heavy rainfall could accompany any stronger storms. Heat, hot and humid conditions will result in triple-digit heat index values across much of the area this afternoon. Take steps to prevent heat-related illnesses. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday, heat, hot and humid conditions will result in triple-digit heat index values across much of the region through Saturday afternoon. Thunderstorm chances will return to the region Sunday and continue through Tuesday. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. This is So far today, the high temperature has been 95 degrees. The normal high is 94. The record high is 108 degrees, which was set in 1986. So far today, the low...
Did this go off?
Precipitation has fallen. The total...
I think it did.
Warning alarm feature.
Oh. Okay, so let's see what failed. I don't think anything failed. Well, the 12250 failed. And then the 7409 didn't go off because I guess I didn't hit the alert button good enough. Turn the broadcast back off. but you wouldn't have been able to hear it anyways because it's on LED. But even when it's on LED, you can kind of hear the siren very faint. I mean, you can barely notice it. Well, you can notice it, but with all the other radios, you can just barely notice the siren. So, yeah. Obviously, this went off.
When? Today until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time and again.
The HH50 went off. So, yeah. And of course, the WR400 went off. This went off today. I don't believe it went off for the noon weekly test, but it did go off for this one. The Vector VEC438 got it. So there we are. Required weekly test. So yeah, and then everything else is expired. As you can see on this one, it doesn't show expired up in the corner. So yeah. So that was pretty much a successful weekly test. The HH50 went off. I heard it. You may have not been able to hear it on the camera because this camera has a tiny microphone on it. So you probably didn't hear the HH50 go off, but I did hear it faintly. 74250C didn't go off. I didn't have any batteries in it. So, yeah. Anyways, so, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I do plan on trying to get a new radio within the next couple weeks. So, yeah. Now, if you have any recommendations on a radio I should get, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Now, currently, there aren't that many radios on eBay that I want. What I'm looking at getting is either a Radio Shack 12262 or a Cobra CWR100, which I'm pretty sure most of you watching this video, except for one person, I'm pretty sure everyone watching this video, except for one person, doesn't know about the Cobra CWR100. So, yeah, I'm looking at either getting a Cobra CWR100 or a Cobra CWR200. Which, if you've watched all of Season 10 of Michael, also known as Clan Ranger 143's series radio reviews, then you probably saw the episode on the Cobra CWR200. I'm looking at getting one of those. There's one on eBay listed for $17.99 plus $5.70 shipping. Well, actually, it's a bid, so I'm not going to get it for $17.99, but it's pretty cheap, and they're not that common. So, yeah. So, and, yeah, like I said, the Cobra CWR200 isn't that common. The only two people I know that have it is Mitchell, also known as BenjiCat33, and, what's his name? I'm trying to think of what that guy's name is. What his channel name is. I can look it up real quick. Eric John Monner, I think is how you pronounce it. So yeah, that guy I just showed you, that Eric John Monner or whatever, he has a CWR 200, and he's also the only person I know of that has a CWR 100. So, yeah. We'll see. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.